We're at the Blue Tier Reserve. It's about 40 minutes from St. Helens. Today we're especially focused on what you can do with families. We've got the kids going down the Goblin Forest circuit. And this once would have been a great rainforest. Starting to see the regrowth of the majestic myrtle trees. They'll form the basis of the future rainforest. The kids are enjoying looking out for goblins. Not sure if you can hear it though, that the tea trees here are in bloom and they're just full of bees. Off the beaten path, we've come across an old tunnel. Now this is when I need a torch.